As time keeps winding down for the 2012-2013 school year to begin, the Edinburgh School District has hired an engineering firm, 2 contractors, who are working around the clock to fix the numerous construction defects at Edinburgh High School before school starts. Skanska USA, the school's original builder, are to address the school's structure problems, which include reinforcement of tall walls and beams to bring them to code for high winds. Spa Glass are in charge of fixing the foundations of the building and air conditioner repairs due to the moisture that was seeping through the floors. The school board is confident the construction will meet its August 27 deadline when the students show up for class.